Oh, hi, Krista.
Hey, how's it?
Oh, fine.
Good.
Okay. It's been a long time.
Long. Relax.
All right. Thank you.
Ooh. Can I grab you some water?
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah.
Apa pamene ninazindikira kuti mtima wanga ufuna kundinamiza. Mtima wanga deka ndi mzungu uyu.
So, how's work been going?
So fine.
Yeah?
Yeah, how about you?
Yeah, things are moving.
Okay.
Always
Yeah.
busy.
Yeah. Thank you.
Mtima wanga deka ulatakhala kuipa.
Dude, what's up?
Nothing.
Komabe taona
Hassan?
ipataona.
Yes.
No, we're not like that.
Oh. Better good.
Akanakhala munthu wakuda mwina.
Dude,
Hey.
let's not chill today.
Oh.
Yeah, this is where you're at. Not today.
I should come tomorrow.
Bas, we'll chat, we'll see.
Okay.
Tien.
Should I go?
Let's go.
Ona mtima wanga mpaka mzungu wakwiya.
All right. See you tomorrow.
Yeah,
So
we'll
should I
chat.
come tomorrow?
We'll chat, we'll see.
Okay.
Yeah.
Krista, bye-bye.
Mawa.
Bye-bye.
Kumawukira mtima wanga. Anthu andosiyana ndife. Chikhalidwe chathu ndi chawo nchosiyana.